Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Microsoft Print to PDF error with this given error code. The error which you are currently facing is due to the fact that the driver might have become corrupted or went missing from the directory you can see in the screen right now. So we need to restore this folder back in Windows. To do that, I have compiled this folder and uploaded it. You simply download that folder and continue with the shown method. After the downloading is complete, simply extract the contents of the file. Now copy this folder to C drive and paste it. Now search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line from there. Paste it in the CMD window and hit enter to execute it. Once executed, the driver will be successfully added back. Simply close the CMD window. Now search for Windows features and click on this option. From here, turn on the Microsoft Print to PDF option and save the change. That's it, the job is done. Now close everything and restart your computer once. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.